Hello students, in the previous class we had studied classification of hydrocarbons in details. So one of the hydrocarbons was alkanes, which we are going to study today. Alkanes, as we had defined earlier, are saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons. Saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond. Containing carbon-carbon single bond. So alkanes are defined as saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond. So this is the definition of alkanes. Now alkanes, all the alkanes have a general formula CnH2n plus 2, where N stands for number of carbon atoms. N is the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. Now, based on the value of N, which starts from 1, we will get several different formulas of alkanes. So, I am going to write them one by one, and also I will be writing the names of different alkenes. So, the first column is the value of N. Second column is the formula, which can be derived by substituting different values of N. Next, we are going to study the root word which is used to name that particular alkane, and last I will be writing the name of the compound. So, the first value of N, that is when N is equal to 1, when the molecule contains one carbon atom, then this formula would become C1H2 into 1 plus 2. C1H2 into 1, 2N, 2 into 1 plus 2, which will be equal to C1H4, or it is simply written as CH4. Now, to name this compound, the root word which is used is meth. The root word which is used is meth, and the name of the compound will be written by using this root word, which would end with the suffix "ane". So this is the root word. This is the root word. And the name ends with the suffix "ane". Because it is the name of alkane, the name ends with a suffix. What do you mean by a suffix? Suffix is a word, a phrase, which follows a particular word. Suffix is a phrase, which is "ane" here, which follows the main word meth. Okay. So this is how we had named the first compound, whose formula is CH4. Now when N is equal to 2, we would write C2 H2 into 2 plus 2, which will be C2 H6. Now when the compound contains two carbon atoms, when N is equal to 2, the formula is C2H6, for which the root word is eth. Now eth plus the suffix "ane" will give you ethane. So how are we writing the name of the compound? We are writing the root word plus the suffix "ane". We are writing root word plus "ane". Ane. When the compound contains 3 carbon atoms, it would be C3 H2 into 3 plus 2, and it would be written as C3. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 8, C3H8. Here the root word is prop. and the name of the compound would be propane. Okay. When the number of carbon atoms is 4, C4 H 2 into 4 plus 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 2. C4, it would become H10. The root word for this compound is bute and the name of the compound is butane. Butane. Okay, now going to the next compound when the number of carbon atoms is 5. So it would be C5 H2 into 5 plus 2. It can be written as C5 H12. So the formula is C5 H12. The root word is pent and the name of alkane is pentane. Pentane. Okay. Now going to the next set of compounds. When the number of carbon atoms is 6. Okay, before going to the next set of compounds, let me quickly revise what I've written. We had begun with the definition of alkanes. Alkanes are defined as saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons containing carbon-carbon single bond. So throughout they will have carbon-carbon single bond. General formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where N stands for the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. N can take all values starting from 1. In alkanes, N can take all values starting from 1. The value of N in the formula of alkenes and alkynes starts with 2. Okay, remember in alkenes and alkynes, the value of N in the general molecular formula starts with 2. Okay, alkenes and alkynes should have at least 2 carbon atoms. Okay. Now coming to the names of different alkanes one by one, we will start with the value of N equal to 1 when the molecule contains 1 carbon atom. The formula of that alkane would be C1. I substitute N is equal to 1 in this formula. C1 H2N, 2 into 1 plus 2. So it will become C1H4 or it is written as CH4. Okay. Now alkanes are named by using different root words. When the number of carbon atom is 1, the root word that is used is meth and the name of the compound is written as root word plus suffix ane. So the name of the compound is meth plus ane, methane. When there are 2 carbon atoms, the formula turns out to be C2H6. The root word is eth. The name of the compound is ethene. When the compound contains 3 carbon atoms, the formula turns out to be C3H8. Root word is prop. The name of the compound is propane. 4 carbon atoms, C4H10, butane. 5 carbon atoms, C5H12. Root word is pent. The name of the compound is pentane. Okay. Now going to the next set of compounds. The names of the next compounds are very simple. When the number of carbon atoms is 6, the formula is C6H14. You have to double this. 6 2s are 12 plus 2. C6H14. The root word is hex and the name of the compound is hexane. When the compound contains 7 carbon atom, C7, H would be 16. 7 is the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. 16 hydrogen atoms are there in the molecule. The name is hept. The root word is hept. The name of the compound is heptane. So you will have to remember all these root words which will be required in the next part of the chapter also. 8 carbon atoms. C8, H18. The root word is oct. As on octagon. Octagon जैसे oct से शुरू होता है 8 corners, 8 sides, वैसे ही oct. And the name of The compound is octane. Isooctane is a very important fuel. Okay, octane. 9 carbon atoms, C9H20. Known is the root word and the name of the compound is nonane. 10 carbon atoms, C10H22. Root word is dec and the name of the compound is decane. Decane. Dec. You can use single C or double C. In some books you will find single C. You can use single C conveniently. It is decane. Okay. So the name of the compound is decane. So we started with methane, ethane. This is indicating the number of carbon atoms. Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentagon, pentane, hexagon, hexane, heptane, octagon, octane, nonane, नैनो जैसे बोलते हैं वैसा नोनेन, ठीक है. एंड देन डेकेन, डेसीमीटर is tens, so decane. Okay, so this is how we name first 10 alkanes. Now after this, if I want to name an alkane containing 11 carbon atoms, so for an alkane containing 11 carbon atoms, I can easily derive the formula and the name would be undecane. Undecane. Undec would be the root word. Okay. Uno means 1, dec means 10. So 1 and 10 is 11. 12, for 12 I will write dodec. These are all root words. Okay, root words. For 13 I will write tridec. For 14 I will write, what will I name 14? I will call it as tetradec. For 15 it would be pentadec. 16 it would be hexadec. Okay. For 17 it would be heptane है ना, वैसा heptadec, octadecane, nonadecane. We have to just put A here. Heptadecane, octadecane, nonadecane. And for C20 means 20 carbon atoms. It has got a special name. The root word is ecos. What is the root word? The root word is ecos. So the name of the compound is ecosane. What is the name of the compound? Ecosane. So when the compound contains 11 carbon atom, it is called as undecane. Then dodecane, tridecane, tetradecane, pentadecane, hexadecane, heptadecane, octadecane, nonadecane, and then the compound containing 20 carbon atoms is called as ecosane. Ecosane. The root word is ecos. C20. The formula would be C20H42. C20H42 is called as ecosane. The root word where is ecos and ane is the suffix. Is it okay? In the next class we will move on to the structures of few of these compounds. Okay, till then keep studying.